Hello and welcome to the Coffee Direct kitchen. Today we'll be showing you our method for making a perfect coffee using a cafetière. A cafetière is a great piece of equipment for any coffee lover to own, providing delicious home-brewed coffee while saving space in the kitchen. It's also a very handy piece of kit for when you're traveling. So first you want to place about 1 tablespoon of freshly ground coffee per cup. This is about 6 to 8 grams if you're weighing out the coffee, into the bottom of the jug of the cafetière. So we're making 2 cups of coffee today, so we'll put in 2 tablespoons or about 12 grams. It's important to note that the cup measurements we're using here are for 125ml teacups. So if you're drinking big mugs of coffee, you'll want to scale up. Next, boil your water and then allow it to cool for a few moments, as overly hot water can scald your coffee. Then pour just a little over the coffee grounds, enough to ensure that they are well soaked and can be stirred. After giving your coffee grounds a stir, fill the cafetière to the desired level according to how many cups you want. So for 125ml teacups, we'll add 250ml of water. Fit the plunger into place, but don't start pressing it down just yet. Instead, leave it in place as a lid for 4 minutes to allow the coffee to brew properly. Once the time is up, press down on the plunger with a smooth, firm motion. Do not hurry the press, as this can allow grounds to escape into your coffee. Allow the plunger to proceed slowly. Once the plunger is all the way down, all the coffee grounds should be trapped under the filter, leaving you with smooth, delicious cafetière coffee to enjoy. We really hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Be sure to check out the full range of delicious coffees at coffeedirect.co.uk and click on subscribe to be kept up to date with all of our coffee content.